Calm Water Pools, providing you a one-stop solution to your installation of your swimming pool. In this particular installation, after the pool was installed and the filtration and plumbing have been all tested, the pool was formed out to accept concrete. There's a concrete perimeter around the entire pool, in this particular case 3 feet. There's wire mesh, as you can see, where the wheelbarrow is going inside of the forms. The concrete is a special blend of concrete. It's very strong in nature. It's a higher PSI than normal concrete. That white 8-inch PVC pipe that you saw is to release the hydrostatic pressure that comes up underneath the pool during the course of the year.